This is the final result of my new flower top. Hi, I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. Today I made this flower top out of a 5-liter oil bottle. You can decorate like this with any bottle you want. This video you will need a plastic bottle, wall paint, acrylic color, coloring brush, scissor, entry cutter, sign pen, foam, yarn and glue gun. First take the label out of the bottle and then take it through the sign pen to see how you are going to cut it. I then cut out my draw design with an anti cutter and scissor. With an iron, I poked some holes in the bottom of the top to let the water fall out, and for a little different design, I poked some holes in the front and back side. I will paint the bottle once through the foam with blue wall paint, and once dry I will paint again. In the cut part, I used a little thick rope like lace. I will put this rope, twist and make a little round shape and put it on the top side. Now I have designed the shape of the bottle with white acrylic paint. To match the rope, I painted a small dot of red on top of the white. My flower top is finished. Now you can use it in your garden or decorate your house with fake flower. That is all for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos. Take care. Tata.